This year, I was smart. I stored all my nuts in one big, beautiful tree. Organized, efficient, and definitely safe. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, nuts.
You really kept all your nuts in one tree? Didn't you ever hear of diversification?
Okay, let's make this simple. Each tree is like a different place to keep your nuts, or money. One for emergencies, one for long term, and one just in case the wind blows. If one tree falls, the others still stand. That's called diversification. Or, as I like to say, not putting all your nuts in one hole. You wouldn't bury all your acorns in one spot, right? Unless, of course, you want to be a hungry squirrel next winter. Let's say you invest in only one type of nut, hazelnuts. If a storm destroys all the hazel trees, guess what? But if you also had oak nuts and pine nuts, the storm might hit one but spare the others. Congratulations! You just survived your first nut crash.
Forget diversification. All in on crypto nuts. 1,000% return guaranteed.
Last time you said that, you lost your entire winter stash.
It's not a loss. It's a temporary nut liquidity.
So here's the truth. Putting all your nuts in one tree feels smart until that tree falls. Spread your nuts, stay balanced, and never panic when the wind blows. I'm Squirrel Investor, and this time my nuts are safe.